It was a quiet Saturday morning. Mia was excited because today she was going to visit her grandma. She hadn't seen her in a few weeks, and Grandma always had fun stories to tell and delicious cookies to share. Mia's mother packed a small bag for her, and soon Mia was ready to go. "Are you excited, Mia?" her mother asked, smiling. "Yes, very." Grandma said she has a surprise for me. Mia replied with a big smile. They got into the car, and soon they were on their way. The drive was peaceful, and Mia watched as they passed by trees, houses, and farms. She loved looking at the cows and horses in the fields. After a while, they arrived at Grandma's house, a cozy little cottage with flowers in the garden. Grandma was already waiting at the door, waving. "Hello, Mia. I'm so happy to see you," Grandma said, hugging Mia tightly. "Hi, Grandma. I missed you," Mia replied, hugging her back. Mia's mom said goodbye and told Mia to be good. Then, she drove off, leaving Mia with Grandma. Mia looked around and noticed Grandma's cat, Oscar, sitting on a chair by the window. Oscar was a fluffy orange cat who loved to sleep. "Hello, Oscar," she said, petting him gently. Oscar purred, enjoying the attention. "Oscar missed you too. He loves having visitors," Grandma said, smiling. "Now, are you ready for your surprise?" "Yes." "What is it, Grandma?" Mia asked eagerly. Grandma led Mia to the kitchen, where a small cake was sitting on the table, decorated with colorful sprinkles. "I baked a cake just for you, and we can decorate it together," Grandma said. "Oh, that sounds fun. Thank you, Grandma," Mia exclaimed. They spent the next hour decorating the cake with icing, sprinkles, and chocolate chips. Mia laughed as she accidentally got icing on her nose. After decorating, they decided to sit in the garden and enjoy a slice of the cake. The garden was full of flowers, roses, daisies, and tulips. Butterflies fluttered around, and Mia enjoyed the fresh smell of flowers. "Your garden is so pretty, Grandma. Can we pick some flowers?" Mia asked. "Of course. Let's make a little bouquet for your mom," Grandma said. Mia picked a few roses and daisies while Grandma held them together to make a small bouquet. They tied it with a ribbon and placed it in a vase on the table. As they were arranging the flowers, Mia heard a familiar voice. "Hey, Mia," called her cousin Tom, who had just arrived with his parents. "Tom, I didn't know you were coming," Mia said happily. Tom ran over, and the two cousins hugged. Grandma brought out lemonade for everyone, and they sat in the garden together. "Grandma, can we go to the apple tree?" Tom asked excitedly. "Yes, let's go. You could both pick some apples to take home," Grandma replied. The apple tree was at the end of the garden. The apples were bright red, and they looked delicious. Mia and Tom each picked a basket and filled it with apples. "These apples smell so good," Mia said, holding one up to her nose. "They taste even better. We can make apple pie later if you want," Grandma suggested.